to Merlin formation from the Royce Heritage Club. Absolute pleasure to welcome back these aircraft. We were expectantly hoping for the Spitfire yesterday, but now we have it in the hands of these two hugely experienced pilots. What are Rolls-Royce doing with these? Well, they're hoping to inspire education, promote aviation heritage to the operation of these rare and historically accurate aircraft and artifacts. Is to showcase their historic design and excellence and engineering, of course, and helping youngsters get on the pathway to modern technology and sustainable to all those subjects we hear about, science, technology, engineering and maths. Also promote the company and its interest in aviation through media, visits and promotional activities, but also they do one thing as well, exceptionally well, which is tell the story and commemorate those who fought for their country. Let's see a couple more maneuvers that continue to tailgate through the sky before then. Different parts or two individual displays. Opportunity once again to soil today with the blending formation and then to have this pair so quickly on their hill. Just the sun at a perfect angle, I know for all you avid photographers out there. Couldn't get much better than that, could it? Clear off to the right hand side of the Mustang, but it's good here to show the full power, speed, land and style of the Mark 19 photo record Spitfire. Represents the pinnacle of the Spitfire development in terms of speed and altitude. Capability giving a top speed of 445 miles an hour, speed of 42,000 feet. Photo rescue colours. This was just 179 built in 1996. Well then, it was retained on the Royal Air Force Investor as part of 3 Soviet aircraft in the mid-50s. Unfortunately being kept to help for one more day of pledging the Royal Air Force historic aircraft flight, which eventually became the Battle of Eastbourne. Now owned and operated by Royce. That was the AR-853 carried 4 times colours in early 1945 when it served in the Royal Air Force's 16th Corps until the end of the war. It participated in Operation Crossroads in the French Vengeance weapon launch night in 1945, before then being converted to conduct the meteorological research known as the temperature and humidity of the upper air active flight up until 1957. Well known and become widely recognised as an ambassador for Rolls-Royce, appearing at airspace and charity events as well as their own corporate functions, representing the heritage of the Spitfire, which as we know, but also the Rolls-Royce engine that powers it. Specifications for the Royal Navy for the engine capable of generating good power and thereafter history. An early concept had begun as early as 1939 under Joe Smith, who took over from R.J. Mitchell, the design team at Eastbourne. Never produced in large numbers of Boeing engine variants, but the first and important part of the latter days of the Spitfire family, giving us the forefront of fixing engines, their fighter development. So just coming out of this maneuver now, this final pass of this particular sequence, this is absolutely got a big smile on his face. You won't get very much better than this. Of course, they take through a variety of different marks. 19 being the last and most successful photograph of the conference into the Spitfire combined features of both the 11 and the 14. And then, of course, the addition of the pressurized cannon as well. And this is fuel capacity up to 256 gallons, doing half times that of the original Spitfire. Total 225 built, so that's completion in 1946. And it's good it is to still see one of these aircraft here today. So, don't worry, it's not all over yet, we're just waiting now for Dirk to take over the show. Here he is, coming up hardly arcing to move up. So, the distinctive power, the beacon muscle of the mighty 251. Of World War II. Not instantly successful, of course, and hence the Rolls-Royce connection with this, because it was originally built with an Allison engine. Might have been good impressed with that. So we're now going to take that to the drawing board. And then 1942, we went with that here. Transformed to the replacement Berlin engine vehicles Allison, and then the fuselage itself gradually modified as well. So by 1943, the Packard Merlins installed the T-51B and C models, the near perfect marriage of engine and platform made the then developed 1934 T-51B with a double handling 6 guns, one of the most potent fighters of all. Very sensitive for its phenomenal work as a bomber escort. It had an incredible range of 2,000 miles, had a huge fuel capacity of 1,000 litres internally and 815 litres in the dock tank. But also a maximum level speed of in excess of 430 miles an hour. The max diving speed of 500 miles an hour is rolled off the North American Aviation production line in Inglewood, California in 1944. Delivered to the United States Army Air Force in July 1945, but didn't see combat during World War II. Spending most of his time in training units before being delivered to the Royal Canadian Air Force in 1961, serving with 403 Civilian Pilot Squadron in 1959. So with the Mark 1955, we just saw Rolls-Royce sort of absolutely fitting to fly the flag for Rolls-Royce that they have on Merlin aircraft throughout the heritage flight. Giving the Mustang as a perfect fit with its global appeal and also celebrating an historic and ongoing relationship between the company and that of the United States Air Force. Some of you may well have seen the aircraft many years ago when aircraft owned by Sean Patrick, from whom the aircraft is leased. Back in 2020, this aircraft was repainted in the colours of the legendary Colonel Donald Flint, who was the commanding officer of the 4th Fighter Group, the Desert Eagles. And this particular colour scheme was meticulously researched to ensure that it was accurate to represent lengthy wartime aircraft for the Delta Sky. He also referred to his aircraft as the War Horse. That was a nod to the Mustang's name itself, but also to Leslie's radio call sign, which was a force back leader. Started his career with the Army Air Corps flying the Lynx helicopter, predominantly on tank duty roles. Lovely top-side pass again, gone, he's looking down the right now, just seeing that you're all enjoying yourself. Here's a 50 years flying the Army Air Corps, including a couple of seasons with a vehicle. Some of you may recall that, 5-ship helicopter with an aerodynamic flight length. The company gets the Rolls Royce before being included into their base of Harrison. Have a lot of job on how to do that.